A seven-seater family SUV that rockets from 0 to 100 in just 4.9 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. This is the 2027 BYD 8 REVEA LED, and it's basically rewriting the rulebook for what a family SUV is supposed to be. Because let's be honest, when you think of a big three-row SUV, speed is probably the last thing that comes to mind. But BYD clearly didn't get that memo. Welcome back to Lux Drive Review, where today we're diving into something seriously unexpected. The 2027 BYD 8 isn't just another practical people mover. It's bold, futuristic, and shockingly quick. It's the kind of SUV that makes you question whether you really need a sports car anymore. And here's something to think about. Would you ever expect a seven-seater to outperform something like a BMW X5 or even challenge a Tesla Model Y in acceleration? Let me know what you think. Starting at the backside, the 8 immediately gives off a premium, high-tech vibe. The full-width LED taillight bar stretches cleanly across the rear, and at night, it creates this sharp, futuristic signature that's hard to ignore. It's not just for show either. It adds to the vehicle's wide stance, making it look planted and confident on the road. The tailgate design is sculpted in a way that adds depth, and the rear bumper has a slightly aggressive edge, almost like it's hinting at the performance hiding underneath. You don't usually see this kind of attitude in a family SUV. Now moving over to the left side, this is where the 8 really starts to show off its size and presence. The long body instantly tells you this is a proper three-row SUV, but it doesn't look bulky or awkward. The roofline stretches smoothly toward the back to accommodate that third row, yet it still maintains a sleek, aerodynamic flow. The character lines along the body give it a sense of motion even when it's standing still. And those large alloy wheels, they fill out the arches perfectly, giving the SUV a strong, athletic stance. Here's a question for you. Do you prefer SUVs that look more boxy and rugged, or sleek and sporty like this one? Switching to the right side, you'll notice the same level of detail and refinement continues. There's a nice balance between practicality and design here. The slightly sloping roofline adds a dynamic feel, preventing the SUV from looking too squared off. Chrome or metallic accents around the windows bring in that premium touch, making it feel like it belongs in a higher class. It's the kind of design that wouldn't look out of place parked next to luxury rivals like the Q7 or even a Range Rover. Step inside, and this is where things really get interesting. The interior of the 2027 BYD 8 feels modern, spacious, and packed with technology. As a seven-seater, it's built for families, but it doesn't feel basic or boring in any way. The dashboard is dominated by a large central which acts as the main control hub. Everything from navigation to media to climate settings is right there at your fingertips, and it's expected to run BYD's latest software for a smooth and responsive experience. Behind the steering wheel, you get a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all your key driving info in a clean, customizable layout. The steering wheel itself is multifunctional and designed for comfort, making long drives feel effortless. Material quality inside the cabin is where this SUV really punches above its weight. Soft touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and refined trims give it a luxurious feel that can easily compete with more expensive SUVs. The seats are well cushioned and supportive across all three rows, which is something not every seven-seater gets right. And let's talk about space because that's a big deal here. The first and second rows offer generous legroom and headroom, but surprisingly, the third row is actually usable for adults, not just kids. That's a huge win. Plus, with flexible seating configurations, you can easily switch between passenger space and cargo capacity depending on your needs. Quick question: how important is third-row comfort to you when buying a big SUV? When it comes to features, the 8 is expected to come fully loaded. We're talking advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system will make parking this large SUV much easier, especially in tight urban spaces. On top of that, you'll likely get wireless charging, multiple USB ports, a premium sound system, ambient lighting, and multi-zone climate control so everyone stays comfortable. Higher trims could even include a panoramic sunroof, adding to that airy, upscale feel inside the cabin. Now let's get to the part that really sets this SUV apart: the engine and performance. The 2027 BYD 8 uses a hybrid, combining a gasoline engine with powerful electric motors. And this is where things get exciting. Thanks to instant torque from the electric motors, this SUV can go from 0 to 100h in just 4.9 seconds. That's not just quick, that's sports car territory. Think about it: a full-size 7-seater SUV that can keep up with performance-focused vehicles. That's something we didn't see coming a few years ago. The power delivery is expected to be smooth and immediate, making acceleration feel effortless whether you're merging onto a highway or overtaking on the road. At the same time, efficiency hasn't been ignored. The hybrid system helps reduce fuel consumption compared to traditional SUVs, while also giving you a longer driving range. The transition between electric and gasoline power is designed to be seamless, so you won't even notice it happening. Whether you're driving in the city or heading out on a long road trip, the 8 is built to handle it all. So here's something I'm curious about. Would you choose a hybrid SUV like this over a fully electric one? Or do you still prefer traditional petrol engines? Now let's talk about pricing. While official numbers may vary depending on the market, the 2027 BYD 8 is expected to be competitively priced, especially considering everything it offers. When you compare it to rivals like the Highlander Hybrid, Tesla Model Y, or even premium options like the XC90, the 8 could come in as a strong value-for-money contender. You're essentially getting performance, space, and advanced tech all in one package, without stepping into ultra-luxury pricing territory. And that brings us to the final verdict. The 2027 BYD 8 isn't just another SUV, it's a statement. It proves that you don't have to choose between practicality, performance, and efficiency anymore. You can actually have all three in one vehicle. It's stylish on the outside, spacious and tech-loaded on the inside, and shockingly fast for its size. Whether you're a family buyer looking for comfort and space, or someone who still wants a bit of excitement behind the wheel, this SUV ticks a lot of boxes. But the big question is, would you actually buy one over more established brands, or would you still stick with something like BMW or Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2027 BYD 8, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Follow Lux Drive Review for more fresh car reviews, comparisons, and the latest automotive reveals.